It's Magic Mail Monday. I feel like I need a theme song or something. But here we go. This week we have Magical Thunder Press. They did an awesome job. Yeah, it got a little ruffled in the mail, but you can tell they have like enough space in here that whatever I got is not hopefully damaged. But as far as branding, they did a really good job with this because this is just a simple sticker that they did, but it wraps all the way around. So not only does it have their main logo here, but if you flip it over, you have all of these goodies, which you probably can't read from there, but it's got their Instagram handle, it's got their Big Cartel website, and it's got their email address with cute little icons next to each one. And then it has the return address. So not only is it practical, but it's telling you how to go buy more stuff and how to share their stuff with the Instagram handle there. And then it wraps around for one more sealant. I don't know how much protection that does, but it's an added bonus. Fun way to seal the package. Still be super cute on the front. Win-win. So A+ already, and it's not even open. But here we go. Dive on in. So, honestly, I ordered this a while ago. I don't really remember what I ordered. So we'll see. I'll be just as surprised as you are. Online shoppers, unite. Okay, so it's wrapped in cute little tissue paper. And what did we get? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay. I have so much to say about this. It's just beautiful. Okay, so it came with this adorable little thank you card. Super easy to print, but so cute. And on the back again, she's got those same little cute icons and her Instagram handle and her email address. So not only consistent with the front, but still super practical. I'm personally saving this in my little pile of business cards that I keep with all of my fun packages. But, you know, it's one more chance that people are going to save your information. Might as well. And then I got this amazing pin. So just check this sucker out. Can you even see him? It is a cute little vinyl scratch player. And it says, "The happiest songs on earth." I am in love. So not only does it have her big spanking logo up here, which looks amazing, but it's on this really light pastel pink card. So cute. Love everything about it. And it's got her Instagram handle right down here. And then her Big Cartel shop again, so that you can go buy more stuff because you're so in love with this amazing pin. And I think it's super cool that it spins. A lot of these, like, just made by online retailers and stuff, they don't have that much like capabilities with the actual manufacturers, so that's a big deal for me. And it's also just like really shiny and colorful. I feel like my camera's not doing it justice, but it's really beautiful. So A+ on that. And then I'm gonna take it off because we always do the one last check here. Make sure that we did all of our dotted I's and crossed T's with our branding. She didn't get this one, but I'll give her the extra points. There's no brand name or anything on the back, so I'd say this is the one downside. I have a little board here you can see, but I have a few of them around with the pins I've collected, and honestly, like, I'll buy them and then maybe like a year later or just a few months or whatever, I'll go to post it and I have no idea who made it, genuinely. And I'll take it off the board, and if there's nothing on the back, I can't tag you. So that's a lost promotion, or like a lost marketing opportunity from your happy clients. So I would suggest that. And if you don't have the budget, because I totally understand that when you're just starting out, you're making a few pins, it is really expensive to get it actually made into the mold and everything, custom. But there's still solutions. Like, you can print really tiny stickers and put them on there. You could write them on if you had really pretty handwriting, a little stamp, what have you. There are other options, but that'd be my one downside. But it's just so freaking beautiful that I'm not too upset about it. I mean, honestly, it doesn't change the prettiness of the pin. It's just, from a branding standpoint, I would suggest taking it one step further if possible. But otherwise, A+. I mean, no other freebies. It was just a little tissue paper, plain and simple, kept it safe. Like I said, even though this got a little jumbled in the mail, obviously nothing was broken. It was perfect. So, awesome. Awesome job. So I know I have more stuff coming always, but again, if you want to be featured, let me know, because I'm telling you, I probably already want to buy your stuff and I just haven't seen it. So send me a direct message or send me an email. It's kelly@starcastlestudio.com, and I'll be sure to check out your stuff. If you just want to talk to me one-on-one, I'd also love to get people whose actual shops they are in live with me so we can go through it together and maybe get a conversation going, because it feels a little weird, one-sided, talking to a hypothetical wall space of people. So I would love to get some of you guys involved in the conversation if possible. So for sure, just let me know if you are interested in talking about it, or if you have somebody that I for sure should check out, then I would love to do that anyways. So you could suggest somebody else, even if it's not your shop, that kind of thing. And if it's less than $20, I'll probably just buy it. So, I mean, unless I get a million things, but we'll see. Open to anything. All right, well, have a good night. Thanks for joining me for Star Castle Studios Magic Mail Monday, and I will see you next week.